Title: Ancient History. Mansa Musa. The richest man in history in the 14th century, the world witnessed a king whose wealth was so vast, it defied imagination. His name was Mansa Musa, ruler of the Mali Empire in West Africa. Mali controlled the trade of gold and salt, the lifeblood of ancient economies. Under Musa, Mali became one of the richest and most powerful kingdoms on earth. In 1324, Musa set out on a pilgrimage to Mecca. But this was no ordinary journey. He traveled with tens of thousands of soldiers, servants, and subjects. Camels carried loads of pure gold. Wherever he passed, he gave so much wealth away that economies were shaken, and gold's value collapsed for years. Mansa Musa's pilgrimage spread Mali's fame across Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. On medieval maps, artists drew him crowned in gold, holding a golden scepter and orb, the image of unimaginable riches. But Musa was more than wealth. He built mosques, schools, and the great University of Timbuktu, making Mali a center of learning and culture. Mansa Musa's story is not just about riches, but about how wealth can shape history, culture, and knowledge. His legacy still stands as proof that Africa was once home to empires of greatness and power.